Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into another exciting video where we will explore this gorgeous nail art design you see on the screen. It may seem like an intricate inbuilt design, but trust me, it's simple, beautiful and can be effortlessly created in just a few minutes. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. What are you waiting for? Let's get started together on this fun and creative journey. To start off, apply a top coat or builder gel in the center of your nail, just like you see in the video. Make sure to apply the first layer evenly and slightly thick so that the bead we will be adding can connect smoothly with each other. Now it's time to add the small beads. I'm using black bead for this step, which you can pick up with a brush, a dotting tool or even a toothpick. You will have to create 7 or 8 lines using these small beads to achieve the desired inbuilt design effect. To pick up the beads from the container, dip your tool into a bit of top coat or builder gel. Then carefully place each bead onto the nail where you applied the initial top coat or builder gel. Arrange the beads in straight line to form either a rectangle or a square, depending on your preference, and fill the shape with beads. This step adds depth and dimension to the design, enhancing its overall appearance. Arranging the beads in a straight line and placing them onto the nail can indeed take some time and patience, but trust me, it's worth it. We are all about creating stunning designs, and this step is crucial to achieving that beautiful end result. While it may seem tricky at first, especially when picking up the beads, while practice it becomes much easier. Remember to keep your patience level high and stay focused as you work through this step. It might be a bit challenging initially, but once you get into flow, you will find it's quite simple. Don't hesitate to take your time and enjoy the creating process. After all, the satisfaction of seeing the finished design will make it all worthwhile. Now that we have completed the initial placement of the beads, it's time to add a dynamic element to the design. We want to create the illusion that the beads are flowing down the nail. To achieve this effect, leave some space between the lines to add beads we have already placed and randomly add more beads into the gaps. This creates a sense of movement and fluidity in the design. Remember, this process is incredibly easy to do and there is no need to overthink it. Simply place the beads wherever you feel they will enhance the flow of the design, while I'm placing them randomly in the video. The key is to create the impression that they are falling from the upper part of the design. This adds depth and interest to all over look, making it appear from dynamic and engaging. Enjoy the creative process and have fun excitement with different placement to achieve your desired effect. Once the bead placement is complete, it's time to cure the design under the UV light for 30 seconds. Following this, we are applying the builder gel to cover the entire nail. If you are unfamiliar with this process, I have previously shared a detailed tutorial on how to create gel extension using builder gel in one of my earlier videos. You can find the link to that video in the description box below or by clicking the card in the upper right hand corner of the screen. In summary, when applying the second layer of builder gel, use a circular motion to spread it evenly across the nail. Using your brush and builder gel, ensure to cover the entire design we have created, maintaining a circular motion throughout, achieving a smooth gel effect. Be sure to watch the detailed tutorial for a step-by-step guide on creating gel extensions using builder gel. Once the builder gel is applied, cure it under the UV light for 90 seconds to ensure it sets properly. After curing, inspect the nail to check if any areas are left uncovered or uneven. If you notice any missed spot, simply apply a small amount of builder gel to those areas, ensuring to spread it evenly to maintain a smooth surface. Although a slight bump may appear, it's normal, but avoid excessive unevenness. Cure the nail again under the UV light for another 90 seconds to finalize the gel extension. This ensures a flawless finish and ensures the design remains intact for a long-lasting result. Moving on to the next step, we will remove any stickiness left on the nail using acetone. Then we will gently buff the nail surface using a buffer to smooth out any excess product or uneven areas. It's important to ensure the surface is even and smooth. Although the buffed area may appear slightly textured at the first, trust me, the end result will be stunning. This step ensures a flawless finish, so take your time and buff the entire nail evenly for a beautiful final look. Now we will add a finishing touch by creating lines on the right and left empty space of the nail. These lines will enhance the overall look of the design. To begin, ensure to create even and straight lines on both sides of the nail. Once the lines are precisely drawn, fill them in with black gel polish to create a more impactful appearance. Cure the gel polish under UV light for 30 seconds to set it in place. This step adds depth and definition to the design. Complete the look with a polished finish. Take your time to create clean and precise line for the best results. Once all the previous steps are complete, it's time to add the final touch by applying a shiny top coat to seal and enhance the design. The shiny top coat not only seals the finish but also adds a glossy shine to the entire design. As you apply the top coat, you will notice how it beautifully transforms the textured part, giving them a natural 3D effect. Moreover, the finished result won't resemble a typical nail design, but rather a unique and artistic creation. When applying top coat, ensure to cover entire part of the nail thoroughly, leaving no space untouched. This step ensures a flawless and long-lasting finish, enhancing the overall beauty of the nail art design. And there you have it. As you can see in the video, the final result is absolutely stunning and breathtaking. You too can create this fabulous design following the steps I have shown you. By following the simple and easy to follow instruction, you can achieve the same beautiful inbuilt design effect. It's easy, it's simple, and the results speak for themselves. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for more amazing videos coming your way. Thank you for watching and happy nail art creating.